Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech accessories. Today, we have something that's going to supercharge your internet experience: the WAVLINK USB 3.0 Wi-Fi adapter for desktop PC. It's a game-changer with blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. Let's start by introducing you to the WAVLINK USB 3.0 Wi-Fi adapter. This compact yet powerful device promises blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 speeds, offering download and upload speeds of up to 1,800 megabits per second. That's 1,201 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, providing you with unparalleled performance for gaming, browsing, and streaming. What sets this Wi-Fi adapter apart is its use of cutting-edge OFDMA and MU-MIMO technology. These advanced features ensure that even when multiple users are simultaneously using the Wi-Fi, you'll still enjoy fast and efficient connections. Plus, beamforming technology intelligently directs Wi-Fi signals toward your connected devices for optimal performance. To ensure a lag-free experience, the WAVLINK adapter comes equipped with 4 dual 3 dBi high-gain antennas. These antennas provide strong signal reception capabilities, expanding the effective coverage area of the adapter. So, whether you're in a large home or a busy office, you'll have reliable Wi-Fi throughout. Now, let's talk versatility. This adapter offers 2 modes: Soft AP mode and Wi-Fi mode. In Soft AP mode, you can turn a wired network connection into a Wi-Fi hotspot, making it easy to share your connection with other devices. In Wi-Fi mode, your PC can connect directly to a Wi-Fi signal without needing an Ethernet cable. It's essential to note that this adapter is designed specifically for Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems. To ensure it works seamlessly, you can download the required driver from WAVLINK's official website. Plus, it comes with advanced security features, including WPA3 encryption, to protect your personal data. The WAVLINK Wi-Fi 6 adapter comes with a 3.28 feet USB 3.0 extension cable, making it easy to connect to any USB port on your desktop, laptop, or PC. Its non-slip magnetic base ensures stability, whether you attach it to your laptop or a metal surface. It's all about flexibility and convenience. Lastly, let's not forget about heat management. The adapter is designed with cooling holes on the top to dissipate heat during operation, ensuring a longer lifespan and optimal performance. So, there you have it, the WAVLINK USB 3.0 Wi-Fi adapter for desktop PC. It's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their Wi-Fi experience. From blazing fast speeds to versatile modes and advanced security, it's got it all. If you found this review helpful and you're excited about this Wi-Fi adapter, please hit that like button and share this video with your tech-savvy friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay connected and stay tech-savvy.